All right, we got JP here. I was just teasing him because we had DJ before. My dyslexia is going to go crazy, absolutely crazy. Now, JP is a pro.
No.
No,
Not
no.
a pro.
I told you, you're wearing the T-shirt. Know your nemesis with the cones. Okay, you've got bigger wheels on your Mini, and this is what really makes it. I mean, that's it. I mean, you gotta be pro.
Sticker adds 5 horsepower, so we had to put it on.
Well, of course, you know, and it's really pretty cool indeed. So you've been Rallycross for a while then?
I want to say this is either our 3rd or 4th year.
Very good. Time flies when you're having fun.
Yeah, it does.
So,
It does.
what got you into it?
What's that?
What got you into Rallycross?
It was actually my dad wanted something for the family to do,
Mm-hmm.
and it is pretty much like a family event. I mean, everyone out here is really nice to each other, help you out. Anyone who comes out that's new, my dad now does the novice walk, so walks all the novices around, you know, gives you a couple of pointers and stuff like that, and if you need any other help, you just ask anyone else.
Oh, that's great. I know we're trying to grow this sport here in central Pennsylvania,
Yeah.
so it'd be really great. Now, what have you done to the Mini to... Now, this is a roadable car. You drive it every day.
Yeah,
Or
we
what?
do have street tires for it. The
Mhm.
tires that are on it right now are strictly gravel tires,
Mhm.
not DOT approved, so we do have to take those off when we're driving on the road.
Mm-hmm.
But other than that, we did have to lift it 2 inches in order for the gravel tires to go on without tearing the fender wells up.
Mm-hmm.
We did a MagnaFlow catback exhaust. Of course, because of the lift kit, we had to put camber plates on it in order to keep the alignment in. But other than that, engine-wise, as far as power and stuff like that, it's got the 1.6 liter turbo motor in it,
Mm-hmm.
and it's completely stock. We haven't done anything to it.
That's the one thing. You don't need tons of power for Rallycross.
Yeah, essentially for the Rallycross, it's more along the lines of acceleration.
Mm-hmm.
So, which is one reason why we chose the Mini Cooper S. We chose the 2007 model because that's whenever they converted to the turbocharger versus the supercharger.
Mm-hmm.
The turbocharger is a little bit more durable than what the supercharger was.
Really?
Yep.
But usually the turbo has a bit of a lag where the super's spot
Turbo has a
on.
bit of a lag, but whenever you're running on a course like this, you're first and second gear in higher RPMs. So
okay.
the turbo's pretty much always boosting.
You're running what, over 3,000 constantly?
What's that?
You're running over 3,000 constantly?
Yeah, we're running over 3,000 pretty much most of the time. Even sometimes I'll leave it in first gear and it's hitting the rev limiter. So
Oh, cool.
yeah, yep.
That
It all
sounds like
depends on
fun.
the track.
Oh, that's neat. So what's your secret strategy for today?
Not hit any cones.
Oh, I like that. Shh, I won't tell anybody.
Don't take out the finish line. That's the worst part.
Yeah, watch out for the course workers too. They're being nice to you.
Usually they stay out of the way.
Yeah. They know how to jump.
right, yep.
Oh, this is
Of course, it's a
cool.
Mini Cooper. They probably just jump over it. So it's
Oh, there you go.
Yep.
No problems. No problems. Oh, I do appreciate it, JP. This is great. Good luck today.
Thank you.
I got to check out your ride over here. That looks good. You can see the gravel tires. I'm going to just show you close up over there. Yeah, they're serious gravel tires. And they are used. That's pretty cool. Let's keep going, shall we? Yeah, that's what friends are for. They just walk off. Ooh, camera's
That's
coming.
family. You can't pick your family. You
Oh,
can't
I
pick
know.
your friends.
You can pick your nose, but you can't pick your family.
Yeah, this is my son Dylan.
Hi, Dylan.
My nephew Robert.
Hi, Robert. Oh, I like this. You're getting the whole family hooked.
No, they got me hooked actually.
Ah, the other way
I got
around.
into it, and then Robert, and then me.
I gotcha. Okay, very good. How did you guys discover everything? Rallycross.
You're the one that brought it up, yeah. I think it just came up on like events or whatever because I had gone to other things that were related to it on Facebook. Facebook feeds you some events.
Yeah.
Because you like other things or whatever. It came up. I have a couple other buddies that rally, but they're up in the New England rally region.
Yeah.
So not close, but they obviously, these guys are all, everybody's a tight-knit group, so they know a lot of these guys down here. So I reached out to him about it or whatever, and he gave me a lot of information. I was finally able to take my car from daily running to fully running, so I Yeah.
Very good.
Came
Very
to my
good.
first event, and that was the end of that.
You got hooked.
Yeah.
You got hooked.
Cheap and fun.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. A lot of fun with this
Where
thing.
can you go racing for $50?
Oh, I know. And have the camaraderie and the fun, which is really pretty cool. That's what I really like about Rallycross. And unfortunately so, we need more Rallycross, and we need more on northeastwheelsevents.com to get it out and about, because, I mean, it's crazy. How many of your friends even know? They don't.
No.
Yeah, no one knows. Yeah.
So that's why we've got to get the word out there and start, because this is really so much fun.
Yep.
So much fun. I'll tell you what, let's start with Frank, with your Subaru. Tell me about your Subaru here. Looks
My son
pro.
Went up to Massachusetts and got this from a dealership
Uh-huh.
for $7,500. It looks like it was rallied before. There's no rod on the car.
You bought it like this, with
Yeah,
all the graphics.
Stickered up,
Okay.
clear coated over, and did a little bit of mods to it. Put some suspension underneath it, and
Mm-hmm.
kept the motor stock. I kept the interior stock because I drive it back and forth to work every day to save on gas, and then I can
Very
rally
good.
on the weekends with it. And yeah, bought some tires and rims for it. And,
Uh-huh.
you know, it's a progress.
This is great. Now, what's up on the roof? What's with the roof vent?
Years ago, they used to have these on here, and then this was an intake for extra air into the cockpit. But it's
Gotcha.
actually just fake. So it just
Looks
looks
good.
the part.
Yeah,
Yeah.
looks good. Looks
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
This is
Happy
great.
with it. It's running good. We're gonna see how we can do today. I want to win.
Is this your first Rallycross with this
This is
car?
the second time I'm running this
Very
car.
good.
I rode and my son's a few times, and we swapped drivers.
Good.
And, had a good time. Last time we were out here, we took Dylan took first, Robert took second, I
Wow.
took third in our class.
Wow.
So it's promising.
That's for sure.
Yeah.
Boy, you did good with the
Well,
with
I
the
went
guys.
first this time. There's no. I'm not a third place guy.
Uh-huh.
You know.
Well, with the four-wheel drive, let's see
It's
you
all-wheel drive.
get
yes.
this thing.
Yeah. We're in the all-wheel drive prep class,
Uh-huh.
which is one above stock.
Very good. Now, you guys are running your BMW. Tell me about your BMW.
Rob's
Yeah.
running the BMW.
Uh-huh.
The BMW.
Okay. What year and...
It's a 2001. I bought it from Copart for $300.
Uh-huh.
I threw a hood and a fender on it pretty much, and that's pretty much where I got it. And it's been running since.
That's a daily driver?
No, I don't drive it too often.
Okay.
I honestly bought it for a drift car, and then when it got delivered, it was all-wheel drive. I was like, I guess it's my rally car.
So that's next. That's nice. Yeah, you got to rally if you've got all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Now, drifting the X factor doesn't quite work as
No,
well.
No, not really.
Not really. Not really. This is great. $300, huh?
Yeah, $300.
Jeez.
Can't beat it.
Plush interior.
Yeah.
That's it. Well, I'm sorry. You guys can't beat the Tesla over there.
Oh,
You're talking
yeah.
about plus.
has a
plus.
Tesla.
Yeah, I don't have the gut to do it.
No, definitely not.
Yeah.
Definitely not. Yeah, isn't that Tesla an amazing car?
Oh, one of the best. I'm never gonna get another car in my life. Brand new.
It's-
It's leagues above everything else.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the future, and people don't realize that until
Oh,
you
yeah.
get into it.
I took mine to Texas down in February. Not
Uh-huh.
the best time to be in Texas, but it drove all the way there.
Yeah.
I did not touch the wheel the entire time.
And how much did you spend?
To get down there, like maybe 20. Oh, for the car?
No.
Oh, to get to Texas, like $22, $25.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
really.
Yeah.
I drive a Geo Metro. I could not match that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So,
No, Geo Metro's a little cheaper than the Tesla though. So.
well, initial price, but I mean fuel-wise.
Fuel-wise,
Yeah.
yeah.
You know,
And he didn't
that
burn
won't
any
go.
Yeah.
oil.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. No maintenance or anything.
Unbelievable. No, you have to grease the bearings once in a blue moon.
Once a year, I think you have to take it. No, not the bearings. No, there's oil in the coolant. You have to change out every like 5 years, something like that. That's pretty
Oh,
much it.
jeez.
Yeah.
That's rough.
So
I know. I
Yeah.
know. Crazy, crazy. Oh, well. So what's your big strategy to beat Dad today?
Oh, I'm just gonna rear-end him, and then he can't drive.
Oh, sounds good.
Yeah.
Oh,
Don't
jeez.
worry, his bumper's only held on by a couple zip screws.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
As for the dramatics.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the way to go. Oh, this is wonderful. Guys, thank you very much. Really appreciate good luck today. And I hope you spare a couple cones.
Try to.
Yeah. Keep it at ice cream cones, not orange cones.
Yeah.
Thanks again now.
Yeah.